What was the median salary of the employees at a company B last year? To find the median, we need to know the number of terms and we need to know the value of the middle term here. Let's see the first statement. The first statement says that last year there were 33 employees. So we understand that the number of employees is equal to 33. That means the median number will be calculated as 33 plus 1 divided by 2. That means the 17th employee's salary will be the median salary, but we don't know what are the salaries of these 13 employees. Therefore, the first statement is clearly not sufficient to answer the question, and we can eliminate two options, options A and D. Now, let's go to the second statement. The second statement says that last year, each of the 17 employees had an annual salary of 54,000. Understand one thing, the statement does not mention that the average salary of 17 employees is 54,000. Instead, it says that each of the 17 employees had an annual salary of 54,000. So it's not average, it's the actual salary of all the 17 employees. But the problem is we don't know the number of employees, because the number of employees could be anything, could be 1700, could be just 17 only. So since we don't know anything about the number of employees, therefore certainly it's not sufficient. But the salary of 17 employees is something that we already know, that is equal to $54,000. But second statement also is not sufficient, so we can eliminate the choice B as well. Now we have to combine the two statements and see whether together they are sufficient or not sufficient. So after combining them, the information that we have is that there are 33 employees and then we have the salary of 17 employees. Then we can possibly think of three possible cases. Case 1, when the 17 employees spoken about there whose salary we know are the first 17 employees. And then we have 16 employees afterwards, because a total of 33 employees are available. That's case 1. Case number 2 is when the 17 employees falls anywhere in between and we have some employees before them, some employees after them. And there is case 3 which says that we have 16 employees in the beginning whose salaries are unknown, and there are 17 employees afterwards and whose salaries are each $54,000, right? So here we already know it's 54,000. Here salary is 54,000 for these 17 employees, and here for the first 17 employees the salary is 54,000. But see, let's look at what happens in each of these cases. If you look at the first case, the 17th employee will be exactly the last employee of the 17. So we already know that this is the median, and median becomes equal to 54,000 itself, because each one of them has salary 54,000. When 17 employees fall in between, then before that maximum can be 16. So 17th employee will be here, which is case 3. If we have 16 employees in the beginning, then 17th employee will be here. And if we have some employees here, let's assume that 8 employees are here, 8 employees are here, then once again the 17th employee will be 8 plus the 9th employee from here, which falls once again within this range, and in that case also the median turns out to be 54,000. So although there are these three possibilities, but since the median is always coming out to be within this bigger range of 17 employees, each one of whose have salary 54,000, therefore we certainly know that the value of the median is 54,000. After combining them, we have the unique answer. So the answer of the question becomes option C. Thank you so much for watching this video.